Welcome back, beautiful people. How y'all doing? I miss y'all. I am so slow on these videos, but you gotta bear with me. It's cold, man. We just got what? It's a smartwatch, so I'm not looking at the time. We have like 55 today. Beautiful weather. Yeah, so that's why I'm able to do a video right now, you know what I mean? Show you the updates on what's going on. I haven't touched it since I left y'all, man. The transmission is right there, and it is like this. So, what I'm about to do today is attempt to install this clutch. Let's get to it. And in the summer coming, bro, I promise I will be more consistent with these videos. I promise. But it's too cold right now for me to be doing this in the garage, bro. It is cold, bro. So, let go. Shoot, man, this clutch was getting it. Woo. Oh my gosh. This one doesn't look too bad. We got a little bit of some spots here and there. Oh my gosh. Yep. Time for the new. Old, out with the old, in with the new. Let's get it. I'm gonna take the flywheel off. Oh, that's not good. Don't do that. That wasn't good. Bro, this thing is so heavy, bro. 1, 2. Okay, now I feel like Goku. Comparing to this thing? Paper, bro. Now let's get it done. I am not sure that I'm doing this thing the right way. Not sure, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So, you know you gotta put that bearing in the flywheel. So I'm gonna use the exact size socket and try to knock it in flush. I've never watched a video on installing this thing, so I'm just doing it on my own. Doing it on my own. That's whatever. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. To not let the bearing get messed up, I'm gonna put a piece of cloth over it and then knock it on. So it took me just a second and it worked. Yup, it worked. It's flushed. So now I'm gonna just install it, put it on. According to my knowledge, there's a little hole right there. It's smaller than the usual. And there's one on the engine block itself. So I'm gonna just line everything up. Use this, my alignment tool. Let me get the bolts first. Don't forget your bolts, guys. Don't forget your bolts. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now, every time I'm working, I normally take pictures. So I took a picture of how it was. So I knew exactly how to set it. do not remember the torque, so I'm gonna Google it, but I'm gonna use my impact drill anyway, and then use a torque wrench to confirm. That's how I like doing my stuff. I don't just use the impact and leave it there. I normally confirm with a torque wrench, and I do it diagonally. I don't know if you have to, but I do. Yeah, so when this is done, I'm gonna let y'all know. Yeah, so the clutch is in. Yup. I haven't bolted down as yet, that's why I left the alignment tool in there, so I know that something's not done. I gotta go. Yeah, so I know the flywheel is supposed to set a certain way, but I'm not sure about the clutch itself. So I just put it in there. I know the clutch got to move, so hoping everything is right. But I might have to pull off the transmission again. I don't want to do that. But this is the end of this video. It was a short one. I got a little bit of heat, which is 55 degrees, and I felt like I got to do something real quick, put up on the channel to show y'all that I'm still here and I'm still working. And I promise when the summer hits, a lot more videos will be coming. A lot more. I'm gonna keep going. We're gonna go to the track, we're gonna do all of that, because I want everything to be done by April, May thereof, and get tuned in the summer and we hit the track and everything. So thank y'all for watching. I'm still here. Videos are gonna come. Appreciate y'all. We out. ALJ, y'all, they be.